So we have the selector shaft out of the transmission, and what we have here is we have the hole in the center of the plastic pin is about 1/4 of an inch. So what you want to do is you want to start with about 1/4 of an inch drill and drill all the way through and keep it centered. You want to drill perfectly straight hole all the way through the pin. And then once you have a good hole through the 1/4 inch hole, then go up to the very smallest size up that you can and then drill that out. And you just want to go up and up and up until there's almost nothing left. You don't want to drill into the aluminum housing though. You want to get it, you want to get the hole in the plastic all the way up until it's really close and you have a very thin wall left. And then after that, the part should just come out, and that's it.